I'm going to be reviewing this steel planter. I received this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. And just by carrying the box, you can definitely tell that it's heavy duty. It's definitely got some weight to it. So it's not made of light materials. Here's what you got in the box. Some diagrams and instructions. Looks like it's packaged really well. Not only does it have the styrofoam to keep it from denting, it's also wrapped up in this plastic. Looks like there's several pieces together like that. There's some gloves wrapped in there as well as all the bolts that you need to put it all together. The gloves fit my hands just fine. I usually wear large or extra large gloves. And it's super easy to put together. There's 4 quadrants. You're gonna assemble that together in a circle. Just gonna take a bolt and a nut and put them in each of the holes. I'm just gonna put in the top and bottom ones right now because I'll be taking this back apart and giving it to a friend. Then once you've got it all hand tight, of course you'll want to go back and tighten it all up with a drill. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. The steel is nice and thick and rigid. It's about 1 millimeter thick. It's got a really good design to it as well. Should be really strong. It's nice and heavy duty, useful for planting all kinds of things. It measures about 17¼ inches from top to bottom. The interior diameter is about 36 inches and the exterior diameter is about 37 inches. So it's gonna take a lot of dirt to fill this up. But in the end, you got plenty of space for some really nice plants. It's nice and heavy duty. Could be just what you're looking for. If you need a good, solid planter, I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.